The reliability war between gas-powered vehicles and electric vehicles gets fiercer every year, and 2025 has provided us with the most insightful statistics to yet. Gas cars still have decades of mechanical refinement behind them, while EVs are developing at an unprecedented rate. Surprising disparities in failure patterns, long-term durability, and breakdown rates are revealed by recent surveys conducted in the US, Europe, and the UK. Additionally, some of these figures may fundamentally alter your perception of EV dependability. Let's examine what the 2025 data actually shows and determine whether gas-powered vehicles are still more dependable or if electric vehicles have finally caught up. Number 6. EV problems drop fast. EVs continue to report 42% more problems than gas-powered vehicles, according to Consumer Reports' 2025 study. The startling thing is that this is the largest reliability improvement in EV history. EV dependability increased by over 47% in 12 months compared to just a year ago, when EVs experienced 79% more problems. It took gas cars over 10 years to make that kind of advancement. Software bugs, broken driver assist cameras, and charging communication issues are the most frequent EV complaints, not engine breakdowns. It's interesting to note that less than 2% of EV issues are caused by battery and motor difficulties. Gas cars, on the other hand, continue to face common concerns that are uncommon in EVs, such as transmission failures, cooling system leaks, and turbocharger wear. Number 5. EVs break down more. EVs break down at a rate of 168 per 1,000 owners compared to 107 per 1,000 for gas vehicles, according to a massive 2025 breakdown research that tracked over 30,000 actual roadside events. Additionally, the typical EV tow distance is about double that of gas cars due to the lack of specialist EV repair facilities. So when an EV breaks down, the cost quickly increases. More intriguingly, 28% of EV malfunctions occur at or close to charging stations. These are typically caused by a malfunctioning charging module or a communication issue between the vehicle and the charger. On the other hand, classic breakdown causes like dead alternators, overheating, and malfunctioning fuel pumps continue to plague gas cars. Because EVs rely heavily on technology, a minor software error might render the entire vehicle immobile, making their malfunctions less common but more dramatic. Number 4. Germany shows the opposite. EVs portray an entirely different tale in Germany. According to ADAC data, EVs are 2.4 times more reliable than gas cars in daily use, with only 4.2 breakdowns per 1,000 vehicles. More intriguingly, compared to combustion vehicles, German EVs experienced a 44% reduced rate of drivetrain-related failures, while starter motor problems, worn timing chains, and malfunctioning injectors were common problems for gas cars. 12-volt battery failures were the most common problem for EVs, a cheap, easy fix. The failure rate of electric motors in ADAC's sample was only 0.03%, which is among the lowest rates ever seen for any propulsion system. According to German engineers, EVs will statistically surpass gas vehicles in all significant dependability categories by 2027. Number 3. EV lifespan matches gas. According to a significant durability research conducted in 2025, that examined over 2.3 million maintenance records in the UK, EVs currently last 18.4 years, about the same as gas cars at 18.7 years. Even more startling is the fact that contemporary EV batteries only deteriorate at an average rate of 1.6% per year, which means that 10 years later, the battery still has about 84% of its initial capacity. Gas engines can only imagine the zero quantifiable capacity loss that some of the most recent LFP lithium iron phosphate batteries evaluated for the study demonstrated after 200,000 kilometers. Gas vehicles, on the other hand, need costly, significant repairs every 10 to 15 years, such as head gasket failures, transmission rebuilds, and catalytic converter replacements. EVs are outlasting many internal combustion systems, according to long-term research. Number 2. Brand matters more. Reliability varies more by manufacturer in 2025 than by fuel type. For instance, compared to most gas sedans, Tesla's older Model 3 fleet now averages less than one significant failure every 200,000 kilometers. Among the lowest in the industry, Hyundai's eGMP EVs have a drive unit failure rate of less than 0.05%. However, the failure rates of some first-generation EVs are 4 times higher than those of established EV platforms, particularly those that were hurried to market by traditional automakers. There are also significant disparities in gas cars. Some models have CVT gearbox failure rates exceeding 12%, while others have turbo failures by 80,000 kilometers. The statistics clearly shows that in 2025, it is more crucial to question which brand has a mature platform with real-world reliability history rather than EV or gas. Number 1. Who wins in 2025? In terms of overall day-to-day stability, lower breakdown disruption, and quick roadside repairs, gas cars continue to be superior. Their systems are simpler to identify and resolve right away. However, EVs are developing at a rate that the auto industry has never seen before. They have fewer moving parts, almost no drivetrain failures, longer component life, and fast decreasing battery deterioration. They are already more dependable than gas-powered vehicles in some areas. They are currently tied according to long-term durability data. In 2025, the answer is as follows. Gas is still more reliable today, but EVs are developing so rapidly that the reliability gap may totally disappear over the next few years. Ultimately, the 2025 data indicates that the conflict between gas-powered vehicles and electric vehicles is still ongoing. While gas automobiles continue to preserve their renowned durability title, EVs are becoming more intelligent and less expensive to maintain. The true victor? The motorist who is aware of the truth rather than the hype. Click like and subscribe for more insightful, data-driven analyses like this one. Don't miss the next major change in the auto industry. It's already here.